Hello students, welcome back, and today we are going to learn the same topic that we previously learned. We talked about radiation, and we look at previously we did about the thermometer and asbestos. So what is the function of asbestos? Where was I? C. What is the function of asbestos? Okay, prevent transfer of heat through conduction out of the base of the conical flask. Okay, that's the answer lah. But I prefer to write spread the heat easier lah. Where's my thing? Where's my pen? Okay, I think this one also is still correct lah. To spread the heat evenly. Function of asbestos. Asbestos is the down one, right? Down here is asbestos. No. Sorry. Not to spread the heat. Not to spread the heat. Sorry. Is to prevent the heat. Prevent the heat from escaping through conduction. Okay, prevent the heat from escaping through conduction, because we want to put this thing so that the experiment is more accurate. Okay, you put this one more accurate. You don't want to put also can, but if you don't put, the heat will go out here. The heat will go out. So eventually, where's my eraser? So many things already. Where's my eraser? Why I cannot press my eraser? Pencil, this eraser ma. Press one eraser also so difficult. Too many things already. Later I also confused. Okay, this one is to prevent the heat. This is the asbestos. You don't want to put also can, but if you don't put, then the result won't be that accurate. It won't be that accurate because it is better to put lah. You put, then you can see properly. If not, this heat will come out. It's more difficult to see. So instead of for example here 30-45, maybe you will get 30-35 if you don't put. So it's more difficult to see. You still can see, but not that clear already. Okay. Explain the change of temperature of water in both conical flasks. This one you need to explain. So this one you just explain I don't want to write down lah, but it's the keyword. The keyword is here. So I already explained. Okay, I already explained. You say lah if you explain the cone. So we say cone A first lah. A is black. Okay, so you can say that the flask with the black and down surface will cool down faster. And then one point, and then explanation. Since black and down surface can radiate heat faster, so it will become colder faster. For the white surface flask, since for the white surface and the shiny flask, the temperature is higher, full stop. because it's I'm not supposed to start with because lah, but I just say like that because it is I just want to say the main point lah. Because white and shiny radiate heat slower as compared to black and dull surface. So you see what I mean or not? So there's a point I say which flask, white or black, white, blah blah blah. Then I say which one the temperature, and then I say white, blah blah blah, because blah blah blah. Can or not? Okay, can or not? I already explained so you should pause the video and try to do. And if you cannot so if you cannot also never mind. So I'm going to teach again because I want you to understand. That's why I asked you to tell me the answer. But if you cannot tell me, means exam also you cannot tell. Never mind, I put in point form. Let me choose a favorite color, black color. Okay, explain the temperature. So explain. Let me take eraser. We know that this experiment is talking about radiation. It's talking about radiation. If I can draw a table, radiate heat, black and dull can radiate heat faster. White and shiny slower radiate the heat. So if you want to say here is more fast cold, here is more warm, correct? Again, we say many times because white black color, remember your car, your daddy car surface, the radiator for aircon is black color, your behind your refrigerator is black color because it will radiate heat, give the heat faster. Why? Because it is black why is it black? Because it can radiate heat. It's not really a good argument, but it's not argument, it's a statement. So you just use your own word. So he asked you to explain so I just explain So I just say black and dull surface can radiate heat faster. Wait, what did you say? Black and dull surface has a lower temperature because what? Because black and dull surface radiate heat faster as compared with white and shiny surface. Okay, then we say again, white and shiny surface has higher temperature because because what? Because white and shiny surface radiate heat slower as compared with black and dull surface. Okay, so now I got this app can help me check the grammar. So good, you should install this. You see, I can just adjust the grammar so that I will get a correct grammar. As compared with black surface. Yep, wow, so good this app, but it's an English app why this face like that one? Or you can help you to change this word. Change it to show clear. So the answer, the black and the dull surface has a lower temperature because black and dull surface radiate heat faster than white and shiny surfaces. The white and shiny surfaces has a higher temperature because white and shiny surfaces, shiny lah, shiny, radiate heat slower than black and dull surfaces. So that will be the answer. Nothing, right? Okay, nothing. So yeah, I will just delete this. I delete and ask you guys. Okay, very good because the white radiate heat faster. Can still correct Wait, can I? Okay, it's the, as long as it's something, it show that you understand. I think you guys already understand 80%. Should be enough. You all can rephrase back the answer to me. I think you guys can understand 80%. But the keyword also is heat. Don't forget the word heat. Because we already learned in science, something become cold. Why something become cold and something become hot? The thing become cold is because it release heat energy. The thing become hot because it absorb energy, absorb heat energy. So this is how you explain in science Why it become cold? Because it release heat energy. Why it become hot? It is absorbing heat energy. Something same like the refrigerator The refrigerator is cold not because they give cold gases, because heat is being released from your behind, okay, to your maybe your refrigerator radiator, the heat, that's why your refrigerator behind, the hot air come out, okay. Same with your aircon also. Your room cold not because you got cold gas, your room cold because your heat is being released outside from your house. There's a compressor, got a fan. If you stand outside, the fan is very hot because heat is released at there. So that's why you become cold. Okay, so that is why I say heat is the keyword of something mean become cold and hot. Either you want to talk that it absorbs heat, or you want to explain it as releasing heat. Question number 8. Diagram 8 show a made in Malaysia. Wow, they support Malaysia car. This writer support Malaysia car. Wow, this question, mathematics question. The vehicle move at a constant velocity, 20 meter per second. Means in 20 meter, the car will move. 20 meter in 1 second. In 1 second, the car will move 20 meter on a horizontal road without acceleration or deceleration. Means it's a constant speed not faster, no slower, constant. Along horizontal road, a friction force 500 Newton act on the vehicle. Calculate the power. So what is the power of the car? Okay, what is the formula for power? Power equals to work divided by time. 对不对? Formula. Power equals to work divided by time. But we have the, how to say but we don't have the time. Oh, we have the time. Okay, so for work, the formula for work is force time distance. Force time distance divided by time. So the force is 500 Newton time distance, time speed. Okay, force times speed, which is 20, divided by 1 second, you get 10,000 watt. So this is the answer. It's very difficult for me to explain because usually, but if you can imagine the unit for work is joule. The unit for time is S. So you need to get the joule, okay, the joule, but we already have this one already, 20 ms already, 20 over 1 second already, 20 this is the 20, so you need to times 500 Newton. So it becomes Nm. You see or not? 20 M over S. So eventually you get 10,000 Nm over S equals to 10,000. Nm is also J over 1 second. So 10,000 J divided by 1 second, you get your answer 10,000 watt, or you can put J as -1. Okay, can understand or not? But if you don't understand, then never mind lah. You can pause the video and try to understand by yourself. But I try to explain this one more time. If you find in your book, you know that the formula in your book power equals to work divided by time. I got not enough space leh. So work is Joule, time is S. But now I don't have the Joule. I don't have. So how to do this question? But I have this one. The S is already down here. That's why I say equals to 20 M divided by S 1 second. Correct we already have this one. And then I use this one time with the Newton, I get the Mn. So eventually I got 10,000 Nm divided by 1 second equals to 10,000 Nm is 10,000 Joule divided by 1 second. You get 10,000 watt. Okay. If you cannot understand, never mind because this one you need a lot of practice. So if you don't know, then it's okay. Slowly. The vehicle then moves with a velocity of 40 meters per second. If the mass of the vehicle is 1000 kg, calculate the energy possessed. Wow, this one really like physics. I don't know whether you still remember the formula or not. I just fill in the blank. Okay, very good. Remember to write the unit. If you didn't write the unit, incorrect. So kinetic energy, if you find in your book, kinetic energy equals to half mv power of 2 equals to half m is 1000, v is the velocity, 40 power of 2, so you will get 800. Remember the unit Joule. If you forget to write the unit, then you get 1 mark. So it's not worth it. Make sure you got your correct answer with your unit and the working, so you get 2 marks. Okay, either one missing, you will minus, not minus we didn't give only, didn't say mark. We didn't minus any mark, it's only we didn't give the mark. Write the formula for power. What is the formula for power? Okay, power equals to work divided by time. But I like to write the unit so that I won't confuse. So usually I will just put W, watt, work is Joule, time is S. But of course the book will say power is P, work is W, time is T. But I think the easiest way to remember a formula is just remember the word and remember the unit. Okay, power, the unit is W. Why you want to remember W is like watt, So I put a bracket, I just put Joule, and the time is second. Sometimes you need to change it because the question here say 1000 kg. They can give you 1000 gram. So you got a difference. This one sometimes they can use km per hour. And this one also they no need, maybe they use 2 seconds, I don't know. So you will get a different answer. So make sure the unit is correct while doing. 2 mark this one. Oh, you write this one, you got 2 mark. Okay, so good one. What is the relationship between power, force, and velocity? Okay, power equals to what? Force times velocity. How you know? How I know? Because we already do it. we do here power equals to force, the power equals to the force times velocity. This is the new formula that we find out. So that's why I say this question is difficult. And they ask again, from this what do you know? So we know that power equals to force times velocity. So this one you need to find out by yourself lah. That's why this question is not easy. This paper is really not easy. Okay, so I teach until here and I see you next week. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
teacher.
Bye bye.